This is for all the people who make paper squishies. Show your first paper squishy, your most recent paper squishy, the hardest paper squishy you have, the softest paper squishy you have, the paper squishy that took you the longest to make, the paper squishy that took you the shortest time to make, your least favorite paper squishy, your favorite paper squishy. Now show a paper squishy you want to stop making, but you still did it anyway.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day.
Hey, baby, let me see it. Jalebi, baby, I just wanna eat it. Jalebi, baby, let me see it. Jalebi, baby, oh, I really
Better live your life. We're running out of time. Let's talk about love.
Hey guys, this is for all the people who make paper squishies. Let me know in the comments if you still make paper squishies. I really want to know how many people make them. So yeah, let's get started. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my paper squishies and also my collection. So yeah. Giant Cheez-Its, crumble cookie package, cinnamon roll boba, Pop-Tarts, sandwich biscuit, mini Chips Ahoy, Jolly Rancher hard candy, reindeer squishmallow, Yoo-hoo chocolate milk, Pocky Sticks, Twix, Takis Blue Heat, Fanta, Airhead Stomp, Kinder Bueno, Whoppers, Snickers, Milk, Burger King chicken fries, gum, Lay's chips, Doritos, mini eggs, Sour Patch Kids, and also this is my very first paper squishy. Dots, Cheetos Puffs, the Torito, chips, Jet Puffed Marshmallows, Oreos Mints, regular Oreos, Orange Dream Popsicles, Pop-Tarts Hello Kitty, Chocolate Strawberry Cheerios, Reese's Puffs, Peeps Cotton Candy Marshmallows, and lastly, Peeps Marshmallow Cereal. So that was the end of my paper squishy collection and ASMR. So hopefully you guys like this video, and also if you make paper squishies, make sure to comment down paper squishy or just comment down any more paper squishy ideas I should make, because yeah, but you can take ideas from what I have here. So yeah, anyways, see you later, bye.
No, 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 no. Just like the wind.
I made an ice cream shop, so let's stock it up. Oh, and also my cat just came in my room, so if you hear him meowing, don't mind him. Okay, it's all done. Oh, and thank you guys for like all the views in my last video and all like the likes and comments. And thank you guys for supporting this account. Bye!